In this video, I'm going to show you how Copilot can create Excel formulas so you don't have to. In here, I have a list of dates, regions, cities, products, quantity sold, and price. I want 4 new columns, one for sales, one for percentage sales, one for recommended retail price, and finally to allocate the account manager for each product. From the Home tab, click Copilot. It's over here on the right hand side. Prompt on the bottom tells you that autosave is turned off. Copilot can only work with files saved in OneDrive or SharePoint. Therefore, we need to save this to either of those locations. Let's turn on autosave. Name your workbook. Autosave is on. The file is called Regional Sales. In the bottom panel here, I've entered a prompt, add a sales column. I have not specified which columns to use in that formula. Click Send, sending the prompt to Copilot. Copilot has now assessed my data. It's looked at the data in region A1 to G29, which is where my data is. It is recommending inserting a column in column H. It's also given me an explanation of the column. Here is the formula. We can click Show Explanation, where it goes into a deeper dive as to what the formula is doing. Hover over Insert Column and it gives me a preview so that I can confirm it's doing what I'm expecting. This is exactly what I want, so click Insert Column. New column is added. If I want to undo that action, click Undo here. Let's have a look at the formula, quantity sold by price. I would like to add another formula, percentage sales, showing each sales value as a percentage of total sales. Down here in the prompt, I'm entering add a sales percent column as a percentage of total sales. Hit Send and let Copilot do the work. So it's suggesting to insert a new column called sales percentage, which calculates the percentage of total sales contributed by each transaction by dividing sales amount of each transaction by the sum of all the sales. I'm happy with that formula, so I'm going to choose Insert Column. Let's add another column, recommended retail price, which is 25% of the cost price. Create an RRP column that is price plus 25%. Click Send and again let Copilot do the work. The suggested formula is the price column plus the price column multiplied by 25%. I'm happy with that. Click Insert Column. I now want to add an account manager column. Depending on the product, there are different account managers. For example, if the product is mountain bike, the account manager is Peter Hart. If it's cycle jersey, the account manager is Ger Healy. I'm going to provide that context in the prompt for Copilot. Add an account manager column. If product is mountain bike, the account manager is Peter Hart. If the product is cycle jersey, account manager is Ger Healy. And finally, if the product is sport helmet, the account manager is Jane Burke. Click the send icon. At any point, we can stop Copilot by clicking on Stop Generating. This is really powerful. It's come up with a switch formula. I'm going to insert the formula. And again, it has correctly done its work. Switch, product, and here's the formula up here. And because that's a formula, if new data is added to the data set, that formula will be inherited in any new rows. Copilot is a licensed product. If you don't see the Copilot icon up here, it means you do not have the correct license. In the next video, I will show you how we can get Copilot to create VLOOKUP statements and even create pivot tables and pivot charts.